So I'm going to be showing you the experiment that you're going to be doing today, okay? It's going to be an experiment to test what materials are waterproof and which materials are not waterproof. And the reason why we're doing that is we're going to imagine that we have a leak in our roof and we want to see what is the best material to cover our roof with, okay? So I've gathered a couple of materials here that I will show you, and then we are going to start testing our materials. So this is something similar to what you're going to do at home as well, okay? So we're going to start off first. I have a plastic bag. I have paper towel. I have fabric. I have a rock. I have a leaf. I have cardboard boxes, material. I have plastic, glass, and wood, okay? Which is a wooden spoon, okay? So what I need is you need water, so it could be just a small bottle of water or just a sprayer, and you just need a bowl to make sure that the water can spill over it, okay? What you need is two different sections. You need a not waterproof section and a waterproof section, okay? So we're gonna start by testing my materials. So I'm gonna start off by testing glass, okay? I'm going to see what's going to happen. Is my water going to slide off of the glass? Is it going to go into the glass? If it slides right off of it and the glass remains dry, then I know that it is waterproof, okay? So I can see right there that the water just slid right off of it, okay? So I know that it is waterproof. So glass is waterproof. I'm going to put it right there. Now I'm going to try plastic, okay? Same thing. I'm going to put a little bit of water. And I can see right there, same thing, the water just slid right off of it and it is completely dry. So then I know that plastic is waterproof, okay? So I would also put it in the waterproof section right there, okay? Now I am going to try cardboard. So you can either use a piece of cardboard box, you can use like a tissue, a paper towel roll or a toilet roll, or even like a Kleenex box, okay? Anything that's made out of cardboard box. So I'm going to see what happens if I put a little bit of water. Now if I see what happens if I leave the water, you can see the water is still there, but you can see that the cardboard box, it's soaked all the water is inside of it. So I know that a cardboard box is not waterproof because I can see right there the residue of the water is left right on the cardboard box. So I would put that at not waterproof, okay? So this one will go with it as well. We're going to try wood right now. So as well, wood, I can see that the water slides right off of it. But what we can see from the wood, that it does remain a little bit wet, okay? It does remain a little bit wet, but it does slide right off of it. It does soak the water a little bit, okay? So I would say that wood is waterproof for now, okay? Let's try rocks. What's gonna happen with rock? I'm gonna put a little bit of water on the rock. Ooh, and I can see that the water, I put a little bit, I can see that the water just slid right off of that rock. So I know that the rock is also waterproof, okay? I am now going to try fabric. So any piece of cloth that you have, any piece of fabric from home, just any t-shirt, I'm gonna put water and I'm going to put, you can see that the shirt soaked the water right in. There we go, there's no water, so I know that fabric is not waterproof. I'm going to try right now a paper towel or a tissue. I'm gonna put water. You can see as well that the paper towel, it's soaked all with the water, okay? So you know that paper towel is not waterproof. Put it right there. We're gonna try just a regular piece of paper. Let's see what's gonna happen with the paper. I'm gonna put water. Now you're gonna see that once you look at the paper, that the water went right inside of it, okay? So the paper absorbed the water, so I know that it absorbed the water. That means it is not waterproof. Now I'm going to try this plastic bag, okay? It's a flexible plastic bag, not like the hard plastic we tried earlier. So let's see if it will have the same results. I'm gonna put some water. And I can tell the water just slid right off of the plastic. So I know that this plastic bag is also waterproof. Last, I am going to try a leaf, okay? A leaf that I got from a tree outside. We're going to see what's going to happen with leaves, because there are some homes around the world where the roof, they use leaves to make the roof. So let's see what happens with these leaves. So I can see that the water slid right off of that leaf. So there are some types of leaf that are actually waterproof and some that are not waterproof. So this type of leaf, I put some water on it, and if I let it dry, you'll see that there will not be any water residue. So this leaf is actually, we found out this leaf is waterproof. Okay, so this is the experiment that you have to do for today. So I hope you have fun doing it, and I hope you send me lots of pictures, or you can even make a video just like this one and send it to me. Or you can just make 2 sections after you do your experiment. You can make 2 sections like this, waterproof and not waterproof. Take a picture of it and send it to me, okay? Have fun doing your experiment. Bye.